All this time we've been talking to you about how things appear and how movement can appear in certain different ways. So we've got this lovely little picture coming here of moving towards and away from things, and we get what's called perspective going on. So let's see how perspective, in other words, how your viewpoint changes depending upon where you are and how that changes the way you see moving things. Right, here is what I mean by perspective. You can see this lady standing on the edge of a train station and she's watching a train go past. So the movement depends upon where we are. So if she is watching the movement of the train, it would be different to what someone sitting on the train would see. Right? So I want you to think about it. How would that change? If we had a person sitting on a train and a person waiting for the MTR platform for the train, how would that change? Well, if I was on the MTR waiting for the train, I would notice that the train would be moving as it passes me and gradually slows down until it stops. But if I'm on the train itself, I don't feel like I'm moving. And when I look outside, I would see things on the station or on the platform. As I'm slowing down, I would see people moving past me. Right? And then finally I would slow down and stop. And when it stopped, everything would stop moving. So where you are decides what you see. And this is a really, really important but simple idea that we want you to have.